Hello students, good morning. Today I am going to take your social study class and today I am giving you a question answer of chapter 6, the food. What is the name of the chapter? Our food and water. Okay. In question number 1, what is the question number 1? Why should we include vegetables and fruit in our meal? Answer: we should include vegetable and fruit in our meal to keep us healthy and strong. Question number 1 answer is: we should include vegetables and fruits in our meal to keep us healthy and strong. Question number 2: can we live without food? Answer will be no, we cannot live without food. Question number 3: why do we need food? We all need food to grow strong and healthy. Question number 4: which food item gives us energy? Which food item, students? Bread, B-R-E-A-D, bread, rice, chapati. Bread, rice, chapati, butter and ghee gives us energy. Question number 5. Write down the uses of water in your life. Uses of water in our life are bathing, cooking, drinking and cleaning. Question number 6. Name 5 sources of water. The 5 sources of water are river, lakes, pond, seas and rain. Again I am repeating the question answer. Question number 1. Why should we include vegetable and fruit in our meal? We should include vegetable and fruit in our meal to keep us healthy and strong. Question number 2. Can we live without food? No, we cannot live without food. We all need food to grow strong. Why do we need food? We all need food to grow strong and healthy. Question number 4. Which food item gives us energy? Bread, rice, chapati, butter and ghee gives us energy. Write down the uses of water in your life. The uses of water in our life are bathing, cooking, drinking and cleaning. Question number 6. Name 5 sources of water. The 5 sources of water are rivers, lakes, ponds, seas and rain. Come to the fill in the blanks. Dash is not good for our health. Which food? This is junk food. Junk food is not good for our health. Question number 2. The food we eat in the afternoon is called what? It's called lunch. Lunch, lunch. Number 4. Food and water is our dash food. Is our what food? Is our basic food. B-A-S-I-C, basic. B-A-S-I-C, basic. Basic. Food and water is our basic need. Food help us to grow. G-R-O-W, grow. G-R-O-W, grow. We should eat only burger and pizza. Is it right? No. So, we have to write false or F. We eat dinner at night. Is it right? Yes. Is it right? It's right. The answer is true. We eat breakfast in the afternoon. No, it's a false. People who eat meat, egg, fish are non-vegetarian. Right, it's a true. Here is the question. Circle the food we get from the plant. Egg. Can you get egg from the plant? No. Burger. Can you get burger from plant? No. Milk from plant? No. Orange? Yes. So you have to circle orange. Pulses you get from plant? Pulses, nuts? Yes. So you have to put a circle. Grapes? Yes, grapes. We get grapes from plant. So you have to circle grapes. Fish? No. Banana? Yes. So you have to circle banana. In the given below box, E for food item that gives us energy and G for food that help us to grow. Okay, bread. Bread, what? Bread gives us energy. So you have to write E. Egg. Egg also gives us energy. So you have to no egg help us to grow, so you have to write G. Chicken. Chicken is also help us to grow, you have to write G. Milk. Milk is also help us to grow, you have to write G. Fish. Fish is also help us to grow, you have to write G. Butter. Butter gives us energy, so you have to write E. Pulses. Pulses also gives us help us to grow. Rice. Rice is also gives us energy, so you have to write E. So the answer will be bread E, egg G, chicken G, milk G, fish G, butter E, pulses G, rice E. Okay, students. Come to the puzzle. Complete the puzzle with the name of a fruit. You know the name of a fruit? What picture is this? This is mango. So you have to write MANGO, mango. What is this? This is banana. BANANA, banana. What is this? This is apple. APPLE, apple. What is this? Plum. PLUM, plum. What is this? Lychee. LITCHI, lychee. What is this? Guava. GUAVA, guava. What is this? Orange. ORANGE, orange. Again I am repeating, students. Mango. MANGO, mango. What is this? Banana. BANANA, banana. What is this? Apple. APPLE, apple. What is this? Plum. PLUM, plum. What is this? This is lychee. LITCHI, lychee. What is this? This is guava. GUAVA, guava. This is orange. ORANGE, orange. Okay, students. Again, I am repeating the fill in the blanks. Question number 1. Dash is not good for our health. Junk food. JUNK, junk. FOOD, food, junk food. The food we eat in the afternoon is called lunch. LUNCH, lunch. Food and water is our basic. BASIC, basic. Basic need. Food help us to grow. GROW, grow. True, false. We should eat only burger and pizza? No. So you have to write false. We eat dinner at night. True. We eat breakfast in the afternoon. False. People who eat meat, egg, fish are non-vegetarian. True. Circle the food we get from plant. Can you get egg from plant? No. Can you get burger from plant? No. Milk from plant? No. Orange from plant? Yes. You have to put a circle on orange. Pulses? Yes. You have to put a circle. Grapes? Yes. You have to put a circle. Fish? No. Banana? Yes. So you have to put a circle. Banana. Okay. Acha. Next is bread. Bread gives us energy, right? E. Egg help us to grow. G. Chicken also help us to grow. G. Milk is also help us to grow. G. Fish is also help us to grow. G. Butter gives us energy. E. Pulses help us to grow. G. Rice is also help us to gives us energy. So you have to write E. Mango. 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 Banana. 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 PAPPLE. Apple. PLUM. Plum. LITCHI. Lychee. GUAVA. Guava. ORANGE. Orange. Okay, students. Today I am completing your chapter 6 chapter your this chapter 6 our food and water. So your task is to write this question answer, fill in the blanks true false in your copy and then learn it properly. Okay, so your task, again I am repeating, your task is to learn this question answer and write in your social study copy. Okay, in our next class we will start our next chapter. Okay, bye bye, take care.